Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Aberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. The VIX is going sideways, but it was going up for most of the day. Or if we go on the 1 hour chart here, it started higher, stayed there, but then started to come back down. So this gave a relief to Tesla, which came back up. But we are knocking on that door right here. We are knocking on this door, and we are getting higher a little bit. So we have a higher high, we have a higher low than yesterday. Also a higher high than what we had right here. You know, things are still pretty volatile and they might increase in volatility at any point. This is the real pressure we see. The lows are getting higher, the lows are getting higher. We have a wedge kind of thing. So this is a flat top and this is an increasing lows. And when we have that pattern, it usually means that we are going to break this. So if this happens, Tesla is going to tank, but then will it stay in its upward channel? It's still possible that it stays in its upward channel. So anyway, we need to keep our eyes peeled and check what's going to happen next week. Let's go look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, yeah, pretty much the same pattern. Came low at the beginning of the day because of the VIX, and then things came back up a little bit, but still, we are still lower than where we were yesterday. So Dow Jones is still coming down. We are still in this double bearish channel. So stock market is going down. Stock market is down. It's going down. The trend is down. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. So be careful when you want to go long, because it's harder to go long. You almost need to scalp the market if you want to go long. So on the 1 hour chart, if you enter into a stock and it goes up, cash in. Because of this, things are not doing very well. Tesla is a little bit different because Tesla is such a great company with great results and everything. So Tesla is a little bit against the trend, but it could still get influenced. Nasdaq Composite, green day for Nasdaq Composite. It came down right here. Nasdaq 100. Wow, that's an interesting support right here. 11,807 for Nasdaq 100. I would say an important support right here. So the big question is, are we going to bounce on this support? Or are we just going to continue down to 11,000 for Nasdaq? SPX, there's 3742. That is a significant support right here. So maybe this is where we are heading next week. If so, that's going to be a nice short to be had. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link and other links. I have great links in my description. Things you are not expecting. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday unless you are a member with a specific tier, in which case we are going to talk also on Sunday. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.